So what is Java? I am going to share my screen and start the class. So Java is the most important programming whatever as of now in the market. Many programming languages came and went, but no one is competing Java. Java is running in the market last 25 years. So this is the great opportunity. Get benefit of the opportunity. It's just first year you have completed. Now, if you start learning Java, not right now, but I hope in 3 years you can command yourself in Java. Java is used in multiple domains. Java is used in multiple domains. So that's why Java there is no alternative. Java is used in the web designing. Java is used to design the operating system. Java is used in the embedded programming and many more places. Every domain Java have entered, and it is very secure and efficient. That's why no languages can compete Java, and this is the great opportunity you are learning at this stage. So let us start this guy. Please, I request everyone to mute me. Okay, any question? I will be providing you time, guy. Please, if you cannot listen, you can mute yourself now.
The voice is breaking.
Yeah. So voice, I can improve my voice. You can complain for that. I am ready to listen. Fine. But sound should not come from your side. Sound should not come from your side. 1 minute, I will have break. I will mute. Just. So now I am going to restart the session. There was a lot of disturbance and I don't like to disturbance. Okay, please mind. If you cannot listen, you don't talk in between. Keep yourself muted. When required, you can come. So let know something about the history before studying any languages. We have to know the benefit of the languages. So you know, as present in the market, Java is the most demanding language. Okay. Java is the most demanding language, and it is the great opportunity you are going to start Java now. At least learning can be not done complete in one shot, but basic you will know, you will get interest, you will know how to run program, how to execute, some logic will get developed, and slowly with time during completing your engineering, you can become master in Java. You will have further opportunity next sem to do internship you can do in Java. So let us start understanding what is Java. And I hope you all have at least 30% knowledge of C++, something of the programming. Even I keep myself, I take from the 0 level, okay? So Java is a object-oriented, class-based, concurrent, secured, general-purpose computer programming language. If right now, if you will ask, sir, what is object, what is class? So with time, I will reply. Not right now. You cannot ask right now what is computer programming. You all are BE student. So something will be understood. That's why I say some knowledge of computer. When you have joined computer engineering, you should have, you will have also, I am expecting. Fine. So Java is a object oriented. Whatever it write, it is right based on the object. And what is object? You are a object, I am a object, computer is a, laptop is a object, class is a object. So Java, whatever program they write against any object, it's a complete object oriented, class based, concurrent, secure, general purpose computer programming language. It is widely used, robust technology. Fine. So Java, some of the history of Java was basically done by Sun Microsystem, which is now subsidiary of Oracle. Oracle bought, I think, in 2008 or something. But it was started in 1995. Fine. So who started? James Gosling is known as the father of Java. And before, what was the name? They started as a Oak, and later they named to Java. Fine. So these are the history. Sometimes you should know history. Okay. You are staying in India, so you cannot forget when India became independent. So like that, when you are going to study Java, you have to know when it is started and what it is. Correct? Fine. So why to learn Java? This is must, because you are learning this. So you have to know what benefit you are going to get by learning Java. So Java, it says that it is must for students and working professional to become a great software. If you want to get a great job in the industry, want to do great work in industry, software industry, you must learn Java, because Java is everywhere. Okay, engineering, especially when they are working in software development domain. Java is a open source, which means it's available free of cost. Anybody can download and anybody can start learning. You can implement in your laptop, you can install in your laptop, and you can execute program. You don't require to buy any software. You don't require to pay anything for the licenses. So Java is simple and so easy to learn. Java is simple and so easy to learn. Only you have to take interest, sit on the system, create environment, execute program, and do program slowly and in long run. Okay. It's not like Java is going to finish in 1 month, sir. I will learn Java. No. In 1 year, you cannot finish Java. In 1 year, you cannot finish Java. Java is having so many things, but you don't have to afraid of that. Let you start learning core Java, then Java have branches. So slowly, one by one, you can learn. So in colleges, they refer as advanced Java. You will have in next semester. First, they will teach you core Java. Then next semester, they may be teaching you advanced Java. So Java is much in demand and ensure high salary. So it provide you job, and job with the high salary. That is the feature. So Java has a large, vibrant community. It's having large, vibrant community. Millions of people are working in Java. So Java has powerful development tools, and Java is a platform independent. So as of now, you understand platform independent. Again and again, I will be stressing you platform independent, and by program will be showing you platform independent. So what is the meaning of platform independent? Fine. Now I say it will not go in mind. I know I am into the teaching last 15 years. So when I say right now platform independent, you will not understand. As of now, you just remember Java is a platform independent. Fine. So multi-threaded. Multi-threaded. What is meaning of multi-threaded? Multi-threading is feature of latest programming languages, good programming languages. So what is meaning of multi-threaded? It is possible to write program that can perform many tasks simultaneously. A program which can work on multiple tasks at a time. So that kind of program is referred as multi-threaded, because threading will start in the program and each thread will handle one job. It's not like me only. See, I can do some leadership. So leadership get many jobs done. So many hands will be there. He will generate many hands and he will get the job. Fine. So it is a interpreted. So compilation and interpretation. Two are the things which convert the program what you write into different byte code or machine code. Okay, so compilation happen at a time, everything get taken into memory and compiled, and if any error, it throw error. Whereas interpretation, conversion into machine language or byte code happen line by line, that is interpreted. So Java byte code is, see, Java is a compiled language as well as interpreted language. So first it get compiled and get converted into byte code, and byte code get interpreted and get converted into machine language. Machine language is the language which every compiler understands. That is the language of compiler. It's not language of you. You are not going to understand. I am not going to understand. Then you will say, sir, I am studying Java. No? Whatever you are studying, you can study to, you are not making compiler. You are learning the syntax of Java, how it works. And the compiler is helping to get the output. You are not. You can only write the program. So it is interpreted and compiled language, high performance. With the use of just-in-time compiler, Java enables high performance. A speed of Java program is always good. Many programming languages are there. Few languages are not having good high performance. They throw a lot of errors, get hacked. So, but Java is having high performance and distributed. Java is designed for the distributed environment of the internet. It's dynamic, considered to be more dynamic than C and C++. So let agenda, what are the agenda of this program, what we are going to do today. So just I given you brief history of Java, in overview of the languages. So next we are going to see how to install Java, and Java, to know something about Java editor, something to know about Java program, compilation, execution. So one of the editor what we are going to use in Java is Eclipse. There is NetWin also. We will be not using those. Mostly during the Java, this training, we will be using either Eclipse or Notepad++. Fine. So Guy, again, you are back with your activity. Please keep your activity silent. Okay. So let us start stressing the languages. Please mute yourself. Otherwise, I'm not going to continue. So Java is an object-oriented language, as a language that has the object-oriented feature. So Java support the following fundamental concept. So Java is going to support following fundamental concept. So what is this concept, guys? These are the concept of OOPS concept. And you all may be knowing OOPS concept is very important in programming. And at this time, you require to understand what exactly, because I have seen the student study for 5 years, but clearly they don't understand. See, OOPS concept is a way of mechanism to write the program, which program is going to be efficient. To write a efficient program, there is a mechanism. So that concept is OOPS concept. So how we can write program following the OOPS concept? If we follow the polymorphism, we use the inheritance concept, encapsulation concept, abstraction, classes, object, instance, method, message passing. So these are the fundamental concept, and all together it became OOPS concept. OOPS concept, to achieve, to become any program, OOPS concept, it should follow the polymorphism, it should follow the inheritance, encapsulation, abstraction. So all together it becomes the OOPS concept. I am going to cover this one by one, and every concept is going to be executed and shown by a program. So at this point, if you are not understanding fully, it's okay. First, you have to start grasping a step by step. So polymorphism, this word, what is the meaning of polymorphism? So poly means many, morphism means forms. See, something have many forms. Okay, so that is referred as polymorphism. Okay, so polymorphism, function overloading. Function overloading is an example of polymorphism. Inheritance, inherit, you inherit some feature property from your ancestor. So this kind of thing happened in the programming world. Guy, programming came from seeing the idea of this world. Okay, computer program got developed to make the human life easy. So it all followed the same concept, how it is happening in the real world. So in real world, you see that inheritance happen, correct? So you inherit so many feature. Your parents also talk, you also talk, they also eat, you also eat. So this is inheritance, but they were eating general food, and what you are eating, maybe pizza, maybe some different food, what they were not. You may be also eating those things, but you got with the generation new food, correct? So like that, they also having knowledge, but they were not using mobile, but you are using mobile. They were also studying books, you are also studying books, but your book is digital, his book is. So many inheritance is happening. Generation by generation, inheritance is happening, correct? So your father, you got a house from your father. So you own that house. So that is inheritance. But what you are going to do, you are going to get new interiors. Okay. So as well as you keep those things what he done, and you are enhancing that. So this is example of inheritance. Encapsulation. Encapsulation. We write a program, we write a class. It will have data, it will have method. And all together we make a class and we create a object. So this is referred as encapsulation. You are known to the medicine capsules. So capsules, what's happened? All the ingredients are filled and packed. So like that, class is made of data and data members and member functions. And all together we make a object. So we encapsulate it. We make it one object, but it is exactly made up of multiple things. So abstraction. What is meaning of abstraction? Abstraction means hiding. See, that class what we are going to encapsulate and make a class object, that will have a lot of things, and that can be accessed by other, but other will not access everything. It will hide something. So that is referred as abstraction. So classes. So classes is a blueprint, detailed implementation of the program is the classes. You may have created classes in C++, or maybe somebody may be known to the Java, basic of Java. So whatever in Java we are going to write, that is going to be a classes. No code is allowed outside the class. That's why it is a fully object oriented. If any programming language allow you to write something outside the class, that is not going to be fully object oriented. Okay, some part is going to be left because object we will be creating of the classes. Fine. So object, Classes, we create object. Using the class, we create object and we use as a object. Class is the detailed implementation. Class is the detailed implementation. You go to the colleges, try to understand, guy, what is classes. Okay. If you concentrate and listen, I am sure I am going to explain in such way you are going to understand. And concept is very much required. If you want to be good in Java, without concept, you cannot become good. Just by executing program, you cannot become good. Fine. So classes is the detailed implementation. So you go to the college, you attend a lot of classes. So you attend a lot of classes, assignments, so many things you do, teacher guide, this teacher guide, that teacher guide, this subject. But how is the output? You attend the exam and you get marks. So object is like that. Classes cannot be used anywhere. To become usable, it have to be become object. We make object and then we use that. So instance, we create instance of the object and it will have method. So method is the action, reading, teaching, guiding. These are the method. And multiple object will be there. One class will be using multiple other object. So those objects will communicate each other, message passing. Fine. So these are the basic concept, core concept, oops concept you can say. And if any of you understand this and able to implement this in the program, you can become a good programmer. It's not easy. With program, we require to prove what is polymorphism, not just by the word definition. Okay. We require to learn the real implementation of polymorphism. And this all the examples, all the concept, fundamental concept. Fine. So we'll do by, don't have to worry. We will be doing one by one. We will be doing one by one. Okay, don't worry. Fine. So how Java works? So Java platform independence is achieved by the use of the Java virtual machine. Now we have to understand, again we came back on this point that Java is a platform independence. So what is the meaning of platform independence? And it is saying that it is achieved by the Java virtual machine. Okay. So Java, what is this Java virtual machine? Java virtual machine is some technology. Using that, we convert the main program into bytecode. We convert whatever program you are writing, it will look like general English, correct? And that when you compile, it is going to convert it into bytecode. And that bytecode is machine independent, platform independent. You can execute in any machine. So how it is getting achieved? By using Java virtual machine. जब भी हम convert the program what you write into bytecode, and that bytecode become platform independent and can execute it anywhere. So Java program consists of one or more file with a .java extension. So what will be the extension of the program guide? .java. Fine. So when a Java program is compiled, the .java file are fed to compiler, which produce a .class file. For each Java file, there will be a .class file. So .class file contains Java bytecode. It is a compiled program. It is a class. Bytecode is like machine language, but all the compiler, all the what processor will not understand. This is slightly different. To exactly convert again to machine language, here interpretation is required, and those interpreter will be machine different one. But it is intended for the Java virtual machine, not a specific chip such as Pentium or powerful PC chip. Fine. So more on how to Java work. To run a Java program, what is required program? The bytecode.class file is fed to a interpreter, which convert the bytecode to machine code for a specific chip. See, different processor are there. Intel is there, AMD is there, different brand company is there. So machine language get converted by again by using interpreter. some people refer the interpreter the Java virtual machine. So that interpreter is referred as Java virtual machine. The interpreter is a platform specific because it takes the platform independent bytecode and produce machine language instruction for a particular chip. So Java program could be run on any type of computer that has JVM written for it. So either so different kind of OS, Unix, Mac, Linux, Windows, PC, whatever you say, Java can run. Fine. So it become machine independent. So this is a way. So you write a program, you write a program. So where you can write the program? So basic editor, do you have any basic editor? Yes. Notepad++, you can write a program. Fine. So that program you are going to save .java. Okay. So inside the program, how this program is starting guy? Everything in Java start by class. So you will be using a keyword class. So here I am going to explain you Hello World app. So this is the class name, and this program also should be saved by the same name, Hello World app. So here we are using public static void main a string args system.out.println. I am going to write this program guy, and I am going to. So this program, what is required first guy? This program required to compile. So when we compile this program, it will get converted into bytecode. So program will have extension .java, and when it get compiled, it is going to be same name .class. So class will contain bytecode, and that bytecode, if you want to execute, so interpreter will come, and interpreter will be different for different machine. For Windows 32, different interpreter will be there. So who will provide? Java is providing. Oracle is providing. Sun Microsystem had already provided. They will give you. Or same Java software will have for all the machine. Solridge Mac. Okay. So the interpreter are sometimes referred to as a Java virtual machine. So JVM will convert this byte code into machine language, and that's how that machine will understand, and it will provide you the output. What else you want? You want output, correct guy? So I hope it is clear. Everyone are getting, or anyone is getting bored, whether it's only theory part. If such thing is there, you can, but to understand any languages, we require concepts. Now I am coming back to show you some practical thing. Then I will move further so that we can make the session interactive. Fine. So is it clear, guy? Everything is still here. So where to write the program? First of all, we require to install Java. So Java you can download, correct? So Java software is referred as JDK. So where you can download? JDK free download. JDK free download. See, we also use the net. So Java download. So this is given by oracle.com, and already I said that Java is now owned by Oracle. So from here you can download. I will be sending you JDK. Different version is there. You can use any version. Java 19 and 70 available now. So I downloaded 17 and install. I downloaded 17 and install. So I have 17. If I click here, it is going to download. Right now, if I click, it is going to take my unnecessary time. So I just shown you, and I am giving this link in the group. I am giving the link in the group. Fine. So right now only I am giving the link. So you should able to download. You should able to download anytime. Fine. Let's come back. So you can download here, and here again they say each version 17. When we say it will have for Linux, Mac, and Windows. So I hope 99% of students are using Windows operating system. Yes. Anyone is using Linux or Mac?
Sir, Mac.
Okay. So for that also you have version. So you will click here and you will download. Fine. So that differentiation you have to keep. If you are using Mac, you download from here. If you are using Windows, you download from here. If you are using Linux, you download from here. See, guys, I will clear you each and everything. I may go slow because I have to cover everyone. So this is the way, and I hope no student should do the mistake. You should able to download. Tomorrow you can update me. Tomorrow before tomorrow class, please update that. See, you will install, then three things will come. One installation file will come, that you click and keep doing next. It will go and get downloaded. Okay, right now it is installed. It is installed in my machine. I cannot disturb. What I can do, I can connect from another system next class, and I can guide you how to do the installation. Okay, that I can do. But you can try yourself. There are a lot of video in Google. You can follow that. If problem is there, I am here. But everyone don't have to stop their trial. Okay, you must try. So many things is there. Software industry is like that. Nobody will teach you each and everything. Net is a lot of resources are there, and you should use it, utilize it. Fine, guy. So I have installed here. So once you install, where it is going to come, I'm going to check here. By default, it will come to CN program file. Fine. So here I see Java folder came. Fine. So here Java is installed, and that is also saying JDK 17.0.4.1. So it is having the bin. So bin is the main. All the DLL exe is here. Fine. You don't have to worry. You don't have to worry here. So everything file has come here, and due to this only we are able to run the program. Fine. So this is one thing. So where we can run, how we can check. Fine. So here something is running. So I'm going to close this, where I'm going to write the program. These are the questions as of now to understand as a beginner, where we should write the program, how will be the program. Fine. So guys, I'm going to use Notepad++, and I hope you all are aware. And if you haven't used, if any of you haven't used Notepad++, you can download. Even I can give you downloaded version, but it's a light. See here. So first of all, you all download Notepad++ free download. Okay, it's a very light version, and you can download and you can use this. Fine, guy. So now for me, I have Notepad++. Fine. So I'm going to start Notepad++, and I'm going to start writing the program. Fine. So I have created one folder also in my D drive. In D drive, or here also from the folder I am teaching, I have created a folder to store all the program. I have created here a folder to store all the program here. So here one folder is program. Fine. So hello. I'm not going to use this. I'm going to start one new file. So this is a text file. So this text file, I'm going to name it Java intern. Java intern dot Java. Java intern dot. Yes, fine. So here I am going to write a program here. So this will be starting a class here. Fine. So the program name and the folder name should be the same. The program name and the class name should be the same. So here the class also I am going to start by Java interns. Fine. Java interns, and then I will be opening this and I will be closing this. Fine. Inside, we will be defining everything coming in the Java. I start by class. So here again, public void main string. Fine. So here I will be writing system system dot out dot print. Fine. Welcome in internship program. So this is the small program guide, and every statement in Java is going to be terminated by semicolon. So this is the basic structure of the program. So Java intern, the class name in the folder name is Java interns, and the program having an extension .java, and it is written in some folder, and it have public void main. Okay, and we are using system.out.print. System is the main class, okay, and out and print is a function. This should give me output. So this program I written, I don't know it is wrong or it is correct. Now we required to how we can get this output. What is required here right now? So we required to compile this program. So how we can compile this program? How we can compile this program, where? So where we can compile? So where is our program? So I hope everyone are understanding. I hope everyone are understanding, correct? So what I'm taking, guys, just I'm taking the name. I'm taking the name this. So here in this folder itself, I'm going to execute this program on command prompt. So I came on the command prompt and I'm into right folder. So here, how we can compile the Java code? We have to compile the Java code using a command Javak. Okay. So Javak, then which one? We require to provide the program name. We require to provide the program name. So what is the program name? I had copied the program name .java. If everything is correct, this is going to be compiled. If anything is wrong, some error is there, enum record expected, so one error. So now I cannot do. First, I require to correct this program. So let's see what is this wrong guy here. So first we require to correct this, then only we can come back here. So I'm going to see this hello world program. First, I'm going to see this hello world program. So we'll understand public, okay, some capital, a small thing error is there, nothing more. So this color, okay. So this is open here, and that program also let open there only. So easily we'll find. Okay, so here public void main system.
Flower braces. Flower bracket, last one.
Oh, one extra case. Oh.
Yes, sir.
See, Java, what's happened, no? When you write one, give one flower bracket, it generate. So sometime I may have tabbed the closing also and couldn't see. So now we'll come here and compile the program. So Java, we have the program name .java. So I think this time no error is there. So no error and no message. So no message means it get compiled. So how will know guy it get compiled? Anyone have idea? How will know it got compiled this program?
No, sir.
No idea. So it is very easy. Very easy. When I come here, see Java interns have a class, correct? This I haven't written, correct? No? You all are
Yes,
proof.
sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
this we had not written. After compilation, it became Java
Sir.
dot class. So I should see, no, I will not see. This is bytecode. If you want, you can see, you can try it. Will you cannot read like this program. How you are seeing this program, no? You cannot read. Something garbage bytecode will be there. Fine. So now you should be happy, guy. Everyone should be happy. Everyone should get the confidence. You can write the program and you can compile the program and you can install also. You will say that, sir, I won't install. Installation is not going to be difficult. Okay. Installation is not going to be difficult and I am here. Okay, someone is asking Eclipse, yes. But right now, learning is different stage. You use here more and more notepad to get practice of the syntax. Eclipse will help you more fast to write the program. But right now it's a time to learn the syntax. I'm going to use in between. Fine. Everything cannot be done in one stage. First, we have to go through a step by the step. So now our program is compiled and we required to see the output. So what is required, guy? We required to run
Output.
output. So how we'll do? What is the command? Java and the program name. Now,
Java.
yeah, we are not giving .java. We are not going to give Java because we are not running that program. After compilation, what got started, that is Java intern.class. I am going to run that. We are going to run the bytecode, what got converted in the class. We are not going to run the same program, what we wrote in the start. So let us start here. Error could not find or load main class. Why? Java language class not found exception main.
Output is errors.
It is not coming. So wait, I will first run this. Something is there here. Public void main.
Hashtag.
No hashtag. Please. See, there is a difference, guy. Observe. Get please mute yourself. There is a difference. I got the problem. What I said, to get the output, the program name and the class name should be same. Here there is a difference. It got compiled, but it couldn't give the output. So I'm going to recompile. The program name and the class name should be the same. This is the basic requirement. Fine. So now I'm again going to compile the program. So here, okay, fine. So intern, compile this. So compile. Now Java.
Java enter.
Public static void main string args. Main method is not static. In class Java intern, please define the main method as public something is there, public static void main. Find in the same manner, no? Oh, okay. Static is not used. Fine. So no problem. You know, error are the thing to understand STA. So error are.
This is not our program.
So again we'll compile. So more error, more learning. So everyone can understand that a static word is must. Fine. So let's recompile the program. Recompile the program. So here, yes. So go to compile now. So now we got the output. We had some few errors, but overall the output we got. So this is the simple way, and I hope everyone understood. So what are the tool and technique required, guy? To start
Static.
you required first to install Java. So Java link I am given, I sent you, you should download. And when you are downloading, no, so JDK will come and installer will come. Okay. So you have to start from the installer and it will take. Java will get installed by default. Okay, sometimes path is also required. So first you try, if you face problem, I will be giving one session in a new system where I will be showing you all the things. Here in this system already installed and I don't start in again because we have to take everyday class, correct? So one session I will do from different system and will show you all the installation. I hope everyone will able to install. There is no very difficult. Second thing, you keep Notepad++. And third thing, Eclipse will be not using. I may show you right now also, I can show you next class also, but most program first will cover using the Notepad++. So that see Notepad++, the error will be not easily. You have to look very perfectly. But Eclipse will point you at the start only. So here you have to learn the syntax. We will be using most program in Notepad++. Fine. So, and then you can execute. So what is the command, guy? Let's close this. Let's close this.
Static is
Yeah. So how to start? You will create a folder wherever, anywhere in your system, you create a folder and start storing the program. Okay. So program you will start whatever program name is there, same name you will give class name. Fine. Same name you will give class name. So basic structure. This is the basic structure. So I will execute another program. So we have hello world. Fine. So any language I start from hello world, but I start from the batch name itself. So this program, this is the way of commenting. Now we have to learn syntax of Java. Without learning the syntax of Java, we cannot do the program. To make the class interactive, I made one program execution. But next tomorrow again we'll start go from PPT and we'll learn more and more and few program execution. Every class 50% will be explaining the concept and 50% will be program execution and explanation during the program execution. But concept you all must have to know, syntax you must have to know before this. See here in this program, do you have any dot here, guy? So Java, you start from everything, start with class. So this is a class and this is a public class. Fine. This is a public class. Public class hello world. So inside this first main function is there. So main method, main is the gateway of any program. So this is a public, and you may be aware if programming knowledge, with programming knowledge, if you have a static word. So it is a static. A static, we don't require to create object. Any method you are declaring, main is a method, predefined method. It is a method. So it is a static, and void means it return nothing, and it can take argument, not right now, but at any stage if required, we can pass argument from the main. Next, system.out println. Println is a function. Println is a function. So here whatever write, hello Hello Java learner. Wish you a great career. Wish you a great career. So now this program guide is something we did changes, and now we are going to. So what is required if you do any changes in a program, you require to compile this. Okay, you will say that sir already hello world class is there now. Yes, but this class contain different code, and after changes it's going to generate different code. Fine. So what is the process guy? How I can execute this program? So here I'm going to use CMD.
Command.
Yeah,
Command.
CMD command. Yeah. So in this folder now, you can go separately also CMD, but you will reach to different places. If in the same folder, see, Java training program, here we have a program. In this folder, I am writing all the program. So here I will select and I will use CMD. So what will happen? I go to, this command prompt came with Java training program. Fine. So here again I am going to use compile the program. So what is the command to compile a program? Java.
Java.
Java C. You can say Java. So program.
Java intern.
Yeah. No. New
No,
world. So I want to do dot.
Java.
So this got executed. So this program Java dot hello world. So output is not coming, guy. Output is still coming.
Yes, sir.
Old one. So why it is so? We compile the program, correct?
Compile the program again.
What I have to? I will delete that. This hello world class now. I will delete it. So our program is here, hello world. Okay, and we have this one. So it is saved and it is come. If it is not saved that time, then compilation may have not done. So again we'll compile. It would compile. Okay, we got this output, correct? Hello Java, wish you a great career. So this is the way. So it was nice having one program today. So thank you guys. Thanks for your time, and all be attentive and all be present. Each session I want to make very interactive. Okay. A lot of program we are going to do. Java is very big. So if you learn the great concept of Java from this stage, you know, next year and all you are going to do great in Java. Okay. Thank you, guys. We'll meet you tomorrow at the same time. Thank you.
Please, sir, please put recorded videos put in the group, sir.
Group, it will come. It will come. Search that word, you will get the recorded video. Okay.
Now it's
Thank you. Thank you.